folks, it's Nathan from Buff by Bristol. I'm going to show you how to create this tinsel design using CND's Forevergreen and a gold chrome. Paint a layer of Forevergreen onto the nail and cure for 60 seconds. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times to see that gorgeous shimmer and dark green shade. Paint on a thin layer of CND's matte top coat and remember to shake the bottle before use. We then wipe off the inhibition layer with alcohol and a lint-free wipe. I'm then using CND's Blackpool to create my design. I then use a detail brush to map out where I want the design to be on the nail. And the beauty of this technique is that you don't have to get everything exactly perfect. A little bit messy is fine. Without curing, I then use my detail brush to create tiny lines on either side of that guideline. And as you can see, I'm creating these lines in a continuous direction along the guideline. Again, the more messy the lines are, the better. You want to build lots of texture. Cure this for 60 seconds and use an eyeshadow applicator to apply the chrome. Brush off the excess chrome using a fluffy brush. And then to make everything pop, we're going to use CND's XPRESS5 Top Coat. I've used this technique to spell the word you'll, but you can use this technique to do so much. It's super easy and it looks great. Happy holidays, everyone.